That's a good draw.
Yeah. It's just a lot of mud around here.
Yeah, it's heaps.
It's good. To a degree.
Going for it.
Give it, give it, give it! Nah. Not enough speed from the go.
Yeah, you need.
From the puddle, eh?
Yeah. That's pretty much at the start of the puddle.
You need to
Go
just
for
have
it.
that momentum to get you on the first bump.
Yeah, get your back up and then keep it.
Yeah, and then keep it moving, eh?
Yeah. There's a fair lip at the bottom though.
Yeah, it looks. Well, that's why Matt went the other line at the beginning.
Yeah. I don't know anybody really have a nudge in there.
No, we looked at it and we went, nah, we'll go the other one.
Yeah.
Because it looked easier, but it was too slippery. And then once we were up it, you can't go back because there's a big log at the bottom.
Yeah.
He's going that line.
Yeah, why not?